Mabuhay! It's me, your girl, InDaynaMo, and welcome back to my Taglish channel! Hello guys! How are you all on either side of the universe? So guys, for today's video, another unboxing guys. So I'm very late on my unboxing. So for today, I will unbox one of my Christmas gift. So that was last year. So guys, 2022. So anyway, I want to share you my latest tumbler ba yun guys? So this is the latest, I'm not sure, but this is the latest in the Philippines. So Jax have one. Jax give also to my mama and my papa. So different colors. So now it's my time to share you what is this tumbler talking about. This is very common in the Philippines. I'm not sure in other countries. But anyways, I see this one. Every time we always go to the mall, there's always a lot of queue in this stall, or in like a stall here guys, in a mall in SM and some other Robinson and stuff. So yes, there's an ice cream outside. So anyways, I will share you what's my Christmas one of my Christmas gift from Jax that I received. So here is the latest AQUAFLASK. So this is the famous guys. So I got this as my Christmas gift from Jax. So AQUAFLASK guys, 40 ounce. So it's a sorbet pink. You can see it. And now I will unbox it guys for my people of the universe. It's a very short unboxing of my latest AQUAFLASK. So this is, I'm very intrigued about this AQUAFLASK because it's very common nga, and it's very long queue every time we always go out, or if we are in the mall. Ang haba ng pila guys. So I'm very intrigued. Jax is very intrigued. So AQUAFLASK guys is an original brand of a vacuum-insulated water bottle. So water bottle siya guys, and it's provide quality and durable flask that can keep your beverages hot for 12 hours and cold for 24 hours. It's so convenient to use and suitable for everyone's lifestyle. So it's very nice, and it's like a 12 hours hot, 24 hours cold, BPA free, so durable wood for vacuum insulated, 18/8 stainless steel, and 1-year warranty. Of course, as a Filipino, we love warranties. So anyways, so nakita nyo guys, I got the pink. I think my dad got a red. My mom got a super pink. So I think of flamingo pink like that. So anyways, I got also the silicone protection boot here guys from AQUAFLASK. So ilalagay ito sa ilalim para in case like if you put some cold, like a cold ice water, you can put at the end, and then you can put on the anywhere like a flat surface or different surface guys. So you can put air, and then anti-slip siya guys. Hindi siya mag-slip ba, hindi siya mag-wiggle and magda-dance dyan kung saan siya ilalagay. So it's a very soft and cushioning also, and secure fit, and we can see, I will show you kung paano siya ilalagay layer. So anyways, iba talaga yung pagsalita ko dito, Pilipon. So anyways guys, let me start my unboxing. So what are you waiting for? Happy watching! Okay guys, so this is my AQUAFLASK. So it's a 40 ounce sorbet pink. So here you can see the www website, www.goaquaflask.com guys. This is 40 ounce, and then you can see here the AQUAFLASK guys, the one I tell you earlier sa ating video. So it's 12 hours hot, 24 hours cold, and BPA free, double wall, 18/8 stainless free, and 1-year warranty. So now let me start unboxing this AQUAFLASK. So I'm very curious here, I'll set aside the flask. So here, oh, look at that. So this is very enjoyable, doing unboxing, people of the universe. So here, there's also a handle here. There's also this is a wall insulated stainless steel, guys. So you can see here, there's a logo here. So nakita niyo yung logo, ayan. So here, there's a name here. So it's very firm, it's very nice. So here, so maganda siya, dalawa. So dalawa siya, guys. Dalawa yan. Isa lang pala. So, isa lang. Open it natin. Oh my God. Hindi ko alam kung paano ito gawin. Pero ganyan lang siya. Hindi lang pala natatanggal. Isa lang. So, ayan. The usual insulated bottle, guys. So this is water bottle. You can also put cold and you can also put warm, like the cha-cha. They can put a congee here, or you can put also a tea, but it's a 40 ounce. So
hello.
So Jax is there, guys. So here you can see the logo here on the bottle. And you can see at the bottom the AQUAFLASK, and then this one you can also the vacuum-insulated bottles, the logo. So every time we always go to the mall, this store AQUAFLASK have a long queue. They have a lot of sale, they have a lot of discount. So I will set aside this. So nakita niyo siya, guys, ayan siya. So ayan siya. So the next one is the silicone protection boot. So this is medium. So depends if what type of water bottle you have. If you have a small, large, I'm not sure if they have a large, but I think they have large. So mine is medium. So here we have the silicone protection for the anti-slip, guys. So sinabi ko kanina sa inyo, they also have BPA, anti-slip, silicone feet, soft and cushioning. It's a protection boot at the end of this AQUAFLASK water insulated bottle. So ayan. And nakita niyo kanina, guys, ayan na, bubuksan natin. So this is the itsura of the water boot silicone protection. So nakita niyo siya, guys. It's very raw, it's very plastic, guys. It's a very silicone. Look, magic. See, I put like this, doing like that, like squeezing it, squeeze it, and then voila, it's back from the original foam, even though it's not the foam, or like doing like that. It's always so. This is the use of this silicone boot protection for the AQUAFLASK. So they have a AQUAFLASK. Now I will put it in. So ayan siya, guys, ganyan siya ginagawa. Tapos igagano mo siya. So nakita niyo, guys. So ganyan siya. Anti-slip siya. Anti-slip. Oh, pero nahulog siya kasi nga hindi siya magandang surface na nandito. So maganda siya, guys. Ayan. So nakita niyo, diba? So ayan yung silicone protection boot, guys, and that's our unboxing. Our AQUAFLASK. So, that's it, guys. That's our AQUAFLASK unboxing. My 40-ounce AQUAFLASK sorbet pink, guys. And nandito na siya. Tanan! So, ito na, guys, ang aking AQUAFLASK. It's super pink. And you can put also warm water here. You can put also a tea, coffee, para hindi siya easy to get warm or easy to get cold. You can put also a cold water here. It's a double wall insulated water bottle. So it's very common here sa Philippines. I'm not sure about other countries, but this one is good. They also have a bag now that you can put a bottle bag, like a messenger bag, and they also have a I'm not sure, a pin or something like that. So anyways, this is my insulated protection boot. This is for the anti-slip, for the para hindi siya magalaw-galaw, hindi siya mag-wiggle, as I said earlier sa aking video. And ayan, so ganyan na siya, guys. So ayan, I got my new bottle. So yes, I'm happy if And I will put their links in my description box down below and you can check it out for yourself. Disclaimer again, this is not a sponsor. This is my Christmas gift that I received from Jax, guys. One of my Christmas gifts. So guys, this is the end of our unboxing for today's video. My AQUAFLASK Sorbet Pink for today's video. I hope you enjoy watching. You learned something today. Plus, you had fun for today's video, guys. Thank you very much for watching. Thank you for supporting my videos. A mega love shout out to each wonderful, beautiful people of the universe. Thank you from the bottom of my hypothalamus. Please like if you did enjoy my video for today. And please do subscribe if you haven't yet. And don't forget to hit the bell button for you to get notified on my next video. And please comment down below if you like this video. Bye! And see you when I see you on my next one. Bye bye guys. Be good. You take care. Be safe. And mwah! Ciao lang!